Hi, I'm Vera. I'm a child passenger safety technician instructor and child passenger safety advocate for Safe Traffic System. We're the manufacturer of the RideSafer travel vest. With the new version of the RideSafer travel vest, we have included a clasp instead of the traditional push-button buckle. The reason for the clasp instead of the buckle is, number one, it does not contain any springs, so we are certain that there's not going to be a failure of the buckle. Number two, it's very, very strong, so when the vest is used with the lap-only seatbelt with the tether attached, then we are sure that the torso of that child is well protected and it will not fold forward during the crash. In order to use the buckle, there's just a small technique that needs to be learned by moms and dad. Many times I'm asked if the children can undo the clasp all by themselves. The answer is, if you want to teach your child to undo it, then they will be able to undo it. If you don't want your child to undo it, then please just avoid teaching them how to undo it. So the process of taking the clasp apart is, number one, you must loosen the waistband. Number two, these rings must be lined up. When the rings are off center, they are locked. When the rings are aligned, they are unlocked. In order to put it back on, the child just needs to be still enough to be able to attach those rings to the buckle. Once the clasp is attached to the rings, then all you need to do is snug up the waist belt and you're ready to go.